leaders regarding your leaving the party?
You informed anybody?
No, I have just informed the speaker.
Apart from the speaker,
Party leaders.
party
yes.
leaders,
What?
you are leaving the party.
I have spoken several times to many people, and in fact, even my supporters have spoken. And the issue that comes up are these projects.
You also resigned.
I cannot change my stand. My conscience will not allow me, because I am an elected representative. That means it is the people that have placed their trust in me. I cannot betray their trust.
What was
Madam,
the
you
response
And
of the BJP leaders when-
most important of all, if I am here today, I was never meant to be a politician. If I am here today, it is because I am in the shoes of late Matani Saldanha, who died of a heart attack out of sheer exhaustion, having worked hard to win as the BJP MLA. And if Matani Saldanha was here today, he would be fasting somewhere or the other.
You mean
To
primary,
protect the people, to protect his Goa.
primary
Thank you.
membership resign केलं तुम्ही primary membership
Yes,
of BJP.
yeah, now we have to give it. Will be given. Okay? Thank you.
Thank you.